Bulls introduces the Vuca Evo FSX1, an all-terrain e-bike designed for versatility, excelling on forest paths and challenging mountain trails. Positioned as an SUV or trekking bike, it encompasses features suitable for various terrains, making it a versatile choice for both city commuting and off-road adventures. With a notable maximum weight capacity of 150 kilograms, 331 pounds, the e-bike features a Pinion MGU E1.12 mid-engine, producing 85 nanometer torque and incorporating a built-in gearbox with 12 gears. The integrated gear system not only offers a maintenance-free experience but also enhances the overall service life of the e-bike. The Vuca Evo FSX1 is equipped with practical elements such as attached lights, mud guards, and a luggage rack, capable of carrying up to 25 kilograms, 55 pounds of light luggage for journeys. The suspended luggage frame over the rear dropouts minimizes strain on the suspension. Additionally, an optional feature includes auto-locking side bags. Safety and comfort are prioritized with the inclusion of the Edge LOR8 Tronion mount shock and the Litro Supreme SL 1.8 boost suspension. The e-bike is offered in two battery configurations, a 720 Wh battery and a larger 960 Wh battery. Other notable features include full fenders, a color display for status checks, a seat post with an ergo saddle, and supernova lights. The Bulls Vuca Evo FSX1 stands out as a well-equipped e-bike designed for diverse terrains, incorporating integrated components and a robust mid-engine with a concealed gearshift system to enhance durability and overall performance. While details regarding pricing and availability are currently unavailable, it is noted that the larger battery variant is expected to be more expensive. Additionally, specific information on the bike's weight, adaptability, and comprehensive feature set has yet to be provided by Bulls.